As you know, Instagram lets you unfollow someone at any point that you want. You could either report them or block them or just make them restricted. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can unfollow someone. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and let's say maybe I want to unfollow this page. So one way that I could unfollow them is by tapping on these 3 dots at the top right corner. And as you can see, you see the unfollow icon right here. I could even hide them, like hide this post and not see it. But the thing is, let's say you are scrolling on your Instagram and you see some posts that you think maybe I don't want to see this kind of content anymore. I don't need this page on my feed anymore. So you just tap on these 3 dots here and tap unfollow. So just like that, I unfollowed it. The other way would be to go to the page directly. Let's say like this. You search for the username, you find it, you tap on this following icon here and tap on follow. So just like that, I unfollowed this page. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this.